I might ask, how does a two-wheel drive 90cc ATV get muddy on a snow day? Check it out.
Don't go too fast!
I almost guarantee these tires are the original ones to the quad. It's a 2000 model. I believe. Probably should have something covering up that variator, huh? Got rid of that government carb. Now I got a round slide on it. It rocks. New chain. There's absolutely nothing for brakes inside of there, and I gotta figure out what goes in there, because the drum shoe, or whatever it's called, the ring, is completely gone. All new bearings and new shock, but this little thing rips. A snowstorm sled. Well, that was very you slid off the trail, dude. Take two. Take two?
How?
Like, you want to spread your weight out. You don't want to have all your weight sunk in one spot.
I have a direct weight and middle.
Okay. You went off the side again. Here, how about I push you? Have a seat. You gotta hit the sled on the top of the hill first.
What should we spin this on?
Here, let me hold it for you. You get on.
Thank you.
Lay on your stomach. Okay, you ready? Lean to the left.
No!
Where are you going? Here, let me grab the handle here. Let me grab the handle here. Let me grab the handle.
Oh, God! Oh.
What's the matter, dude? A little cold? Alright.
Alright, take 3.
Take 5,000. We built up the edges. Go. But no, you don't want to start off there. You don't want to start off there. Scoot it up some. Scoot it up to here. So we get all the way up on there. You're not all the way on the slide. You got to give it a little bit more gumption. Lean up more on the front of the sled.
Hey, let's see what happens if I just
You want to run into the snow and belly flop? Go for it. Big whopping 5 feet. 5 feet. Come on, go to the top of the hill. That's not a freaking surfboard, dude.
Well, that's what the picture's showing on it.
What?
Well, we bought it. There's.
No, that's a different board. That's the other
Oh,
board.
that's the other board. Can we go get the other board?
Oh, maybe. Let's go try this one first.
What? The old one.
The little quad that could. Love this thing.
All right, take 4.
Say 4,000? Okay, dude. Start the sled like down here. Get up on the top of the hill. Now scoot it up some more.
Now I'm gonna push this down and usually get on top of it.
You want me to hold it for you? There you go. Oh, you didn't give it any gumption. How did you not even make it down the end of the slide? So he wants to try the snowboard one. Let's go check this out. Okay, he wants the snowboard. Oh yeah, he's gonna eat it. You know he is. Only thing that sucks about the little quad that could, there's no reverse. But it doesn't really weigh anything. Gotta put my gloves on, hold on. Ah, much better. I'm sitting on it now. Check.
Dad,
Grab.
it's just called an ice ball. It's actual ice. It
Oh,
doesn't break.
Hey, grab your snowboard.
No, just kidding.
See this? See how much disrespect I get?
Hey, I'm joking. I'm just making this joke.
All right, coachies. You're the one who wanted the snowboard. Come get it before it rolls away.
Stand on a board and fall and bust my butt.
At least you admit it. Grab that handle.
I'm gonna die.
You gonna die? You're
Not
gonna die.
really.
Try it again.
I didn't fall over. I'm ice on my face. God darn it. I'm gonna turn it over.
Come on, dude. Get her done.
God darn it.
Stop saying that. Just put your foot up there and go. What are you doing? Why are you jumping off? And you wanted to skateboard?
It's slippery.
And you wanted to skateboard? This is safer than a skateboard. There's no trucks to mess you up. Just go.
It's slipperier than a skateboard.
No, it's not. Squat down. If you're worried about falling over. Here, let me give you a little nudge. Go. This is why Texas boys don't play in the snow very well.